Final oral deliberation.
So, mortgages is a type of loan used to purchase or maintain a home, plot of land, or other types of real estate. The borrower agreed to pay a lender over time in a series of regular payments that are divided into principal or interest. The property serves as a collateral to secure the loan. For example, Joe and Sarah applied with mortgage with a bank. So they provide information about their income, employment history, credit score, and the property that they want to buy. Next is power of attorney. Is a legal authorization for a designated person to make decision of about another person, property, finances, or medical care. For example, naming an agent to file a lawsuit on your behalf. Next is gratuitous contract. Gratuitous contract is an agreement where one party to provide when one party promises to provide something of value to another party without expecting in return. For example, Alice gave Bob $20 as a birthday next month. So this is gratuitous contract. It is because Alice is not expecting in return from Bob. So next is gratuitous disposition. Gratuitous disposition, on the other hand, is refers to transfer or assignment of property of rights without any payments or consideration. So for example, Aunt Neri decided to transfer the ownership of her house to her nephew, John through her will. So this is gratuitous disposition is because John does not need to provide any compensation Aunt about about Aunt Neri for the house. Next is summons. It's a legal document that means uh, you must attend in court at a specific time and date to answer the criminal accusation. So, for example, barangay chairman requesting the presence of Mr. A at a barangay to discuss the dispute of Mr. B, and to address the concern and resolve the problem. Next is appearance notice. It's an official document telling a person they have to appear in court at a specified time and place to respond to a criminal charge, for example, overspeeding. Next is sabuna. It's a legal document. It's a legal document uh, commands a person or entity to testify testify as a witness at a specific time and place at a disposition, trial, or other hearing, and or to produce documents or other thingable objects on a legal proceeding. For example, if someone saw the car accident, they must receive a subpoena requiring them to appear in court to provide testimony. So to provide testimony for what they saw. Next is warrant of arrest. Warrant of arrest is a legal document issued by the court authorizing the law enforcement to arrest a person. For example, uh, John I have been identified John have been identified as the prime suspect of burglary case. So the police gathered sufficient evidence to obtain warrant for his arrest. Search warrant. It's a legal document signed by the magistrate giving law enforcement officer the authority to search a specified place for specific items that are particularly described in the warrant. For example, police, police monitoring cyber criminal and hacking that are trace that after that they trace the suspect IP address to residential address. So they decided to obtain search warrant to gather evidence from the um, suspect home.